Hello YouTube. What we have here is a Dell Inspiron 5110 with a damaged keyboard. Keys, I don't have the keys. I don't know where they went. And since this is my daughter's laptop, we're gonna get her involved in this DIY. She's gonna help us repair this. Are you willing to do that?
Yes.
You are?
Yes.
Okay, so can you get us the keyboard?
Okay.
Okay. Can you open it, please?
Okay.
Thank you. You can unwrap it. You wanna put it here? You can show it. Okay, so that's the keyboard with the connector. And now we're gonna go. Where do we start? Do you know where we start? Can you guess? If you had to guess. What do you think?
I would start.
Just take a guess, whatever it is.
I don't know anything about this.
You don't know? Okay, get us. Get me something so I can. We're gonna put a towel. Let's put a towel here so we don't scratch your favorite color. And then I think we should take the battery out. What do you think?
We should.
We should, right? You want to slide it?
Sure.
You need me to help you? All right.
Yeah.
Up. Want to hold the camera for Daddy?
Okay. Oh, oopsies.
It's out. Flip it back. And if you see right here, these are lock-in tabs. So what we're gonna do, there's 4 of them. We're gonna use a flat head. Let me see a good size. I think this one will do. Let me see. Yeah, that one will do. Maybe can you hold the camera for me?
Okay.
Oh, I had it. Okay.
Oh.
Keep that there. Keep pressure on it. We use the screwdrivers, just to keep pressure, but don't put them all the way, so you don't want to touch the board. And then, once you raise it up, don't pull it up. You have to slide it towards the screen.
But it's different.
It's hard to film, and because it has these tabs, they go under the bezel. So if you try to bring it straight up, you will end up,
Breaking
exactly.
tabs.
There you go. See, you know what I'm trying to say. So I don't need to say it. Can you hold this for me, please?
Okay.
And then we have this connector. So you just lift it up, and then this slides out.
That looks easy.
Right?
Then we do the same thing.
Just remove the protector.
Because it's sticky.
Yeah, they use it so it protects the connector. And then
You connect it.
slide it in. Lock it.
Then.
And what we do, we don't want to put it back in all the way.
No.
So what we're going to do, we're going to put the battery back in.
Because there's nothing wrong with the battery. If there was, we wouldn't put that back on.
Right. So now,
Wait.
what should we do? Turn it. Do you think we should turn it on and test it?
Yes, that's what I was about to say.
Okay then.
It takes a bit.
Mm-hmm.
We're talking to you, viewers.
Come on. Still.
Come on, computer.
Yeah. Okay.
Sorry for the movement.
Okay. So. Looks like it's not working.
Oh.
So what should we do now? What do you think we should do? What do you think we should do? See, I try to type and it's not typing. What do you think? Should we turn it off and check the connector? Maybe it's not seated right?
Yeah.
I think we should. All right, so we fixed the problem, right? So
Yeah.
now it's working. So what was the issue?
Daddy put the connector the wrong way.
That's right. Daddy put the connector the wrong way. When I put the connector, I forgot to fold the ribbon the correct way, so I had it the other way. So that's why it didn't work. So remember, this gray, side has to be facing up, and that's it. Hold it, baby. Can you hold it? So like I said, can you get closer, baby? So these tabs, just slide them under the bezel. You see them, they're gonna get tucked in, and then all you have to do is, and you'll hear it lock. And that's it.
Bye-bye.
Are you happy now? Your keyboard is fixed?
Yeah. Bye-bye.
So what are you gonna do now?
I am going to use it.
What are you gonna use it for?
My school.
Your school? Good job.
Bye,
Alright.
guys.
If you like it, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Thank you.
And if you really like it, don't forget to subscribe.
Alright.